How to visualize gas properties in thermodynamics. Imagine trying to understand how a balloon changes shape as you heat it or squeeze it. Visualizing gas properties helps us see what's happening inside. It makes complex ideas easier to grasp. First, think about the main properties of gases: pressure, volume, and temperature. Pressure is how hard the gas pushes on its container. Volume is the space the gas takes up. Temperature measures how hot or cold the gas is. These properties are connected by simple gas laws. Boyle's law says that if you increase the pressure, the volume decreases as long as the temperature stays the same. Charles's law tells us that if you heat a gas, its volume expands at constant pressure. One of the easiest ways to see how these properties change is with a pressure-volume diagram. Picture a graph with pressure on the vertical line and volume on the horizontal line. Each point on this graph shows a specific state of the gas. When you compress the gas, the point moves left. When you let it expand, it moves right. If the process is at constant temperature, the curve looks like a hyperbola. The area under this curve shows the work done during the process. This visual makes it clear how energy moves in and out of the gas. Another helpful tool is thermodynamic charts. These charts show relationships among pressure, temperature, and entropy. They help you see how changing one property affects the others. For example, if you increase the temperature, the chart shows how pressure and entropy change too. These charts are especially useful for engineers working with real gases and phase changes, like boiling or condensation. They let you do quick calculations without needing complicated formulas. Understanding state variables is also key. These are properties like pressure, volume, and temperature that define the current condition of the gas. Visualizing how these variables change during heating, cooling, compression, or expansion helps you follow the process step by step. So, to visualize gas properties, start with pressure-volume diagrams to see how pressure and volume change during different processes. Use gas laws to understand the shape of the curves. Apply thermodynamic charts to relate multiple properties at once. And always keep in mind the state variables that describe the gas at any moment. Combining these tools makes understanding gases in thermodynamics much clearer and easier to follow.